Guys, it's Jimmy J. Russell's here with another knife review, and I'm going to be doing a review on a 13-inch stiletto that I got off of Amazon.com, and here it is. It is 7 inches closed and 13 inches open. It is a steel liner lock with Pakka wood handles and an all-steel construction. It is made of 440 stainless steel, and it's very sturdy, and I would say it's about 8 ounces. It feels really good in your hand. It has a very small flipper here and a single thumb stud on the left side. Yeah, it's a manual open, and it locks very, very well. Like, this will not go down with a lot of force like normal $10 knives. This was only $10 off of Amazon, and it's very good. It's not sharp like stilettos usually are, but it is very pointy. Here's a full shot of it. It is a Bayonet blade made by M-Tech. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.